Hi everyone, it's Deb. Welcome to Craft Our Paper Stash Cards, which is a collab I'm doing with Stamp Girl, but we have several other people that have joined, and all the links will be below the video. I did an intro video for the hashtag Use It Up for February, and what I said is I want to use this Fine and Dandy by Echo Park collection. Now, collection being, it has a sticker sheet and it's got some cut aparts, which you can see I've cut into. So this is the first time I've used this. This was from Tuesday morning, early 2019. Anyway, let me get that out of the way and I'll show you my 5 cards. I could have gone on and made more, but I have to stop because I have other things I have to do. So these 5 cards I cut out the 3x4. I cut all of them out, but only 5 or maybe 6 I felt like would go good on A2 size cards. So I'm using some of the one of my goals also is to use these up, well, these and other cards and envelope bases that I have in my stash. These are Hot by Brights from Michael's. From, I know I've had these like, yeah, 2017 is when they, so it was like when I first started paper crafting, probably mid to late 2017. Anyway, this card was in there with this little bee on it, so I just pulled another bee sticker out, like this bee's chasing that bee, my heart belongs to you. And then this is out of the sticker pack. I had showed that I wanted to use up. And I did take one little bee. There were 2 bees here, so just one little bee right here. And then on the inside, this is one of the back sides of the paper, and this is some of the washi that was gifted to me before, which sort of looks like a honeycomb, so I thought that would go good with the bee, and the colors go nice with it. And then inside I just used another sheet of that paper. This is Georgia Pacific 90-pound bright. And this is a sticker from the sticker pad. My heart belongs to you. Yep, so that's that one. And then the next one, this is one of the papers. I used a thin strip of washi, which is one of the ones I'm trying to use up also. This little pendant was on here. Now this is the back of, I think, this paper, but don't hold me to it. So I used it as a background because this white on that white was too bright and I needed more blue. So I just put a little background behind it. This is a sticker out of the sticker pack. And then these stickers are out of the Dollar Tree pack I'm trying to work in also. So this little birdie, because he was similar in color. And then just 2 flowers here that I thought matched okay. And then inside I just have another flower. I don't have any other sentiment on it. And that's that one. So I thought that was cute too. Then the next one doesn't have a sentiment on the front. I had this owl paper left now. I had it left because I cut into it and something else was on the other side. Hang on. Now I'm confused. It might be the blue. Oops, there it is. Yeah, this blue is on the back of the owl paper. But I had cut it for something else and I don't remember what. Anyway, so I cut it so that I could see 2 owls up here, because otherwise they all would have been covered. This is one of the 3x4s, and I just rounded the edges, and then I went around the edges with Stampin' Up's Melon Mambo Stampin' Rate marker, the brush end, and I put the whole thing up on this foam tape I'm also trying to use up. These 3 blings are from this Dollar Tree pack of stickers and bling, and then these are 2 stickers out of the pack. And then on the inside I just have a sticker from the pack. This was another paper, not the owls, and I rounded the corners and again used Melon Mambo instead of putting another sheet in there. to edge it. And the little owl there says Simply Sweet. Guess I could have added a your to that. And the next two are my favorites, I think. This one, I forget what's on the other side. I think it's, hang on. I was going to use the other side, and then I changed my mind because I thought this side, oh, nope, that's not it. Oh, it's stripes, yeah. I was going to use this because I thought it was nice and bright, but on the other side is this, and I thought it looked like sunshines, and it says you brighten my day, so I thought that was perfect. And then this little sunflower is out of this Martha Stewart Bumblebee pack. There were 2 sunflowers here. And this butterfly is out of this Michael's pack from back when they had the $1.50 bins. So I used a white one there. This I actually did put onto a piece of the Georgia Pacific white to make it pop against the background. And then I just put 3 little Stampin' Up! Basic pearls on the bottom here. And I don't know, this sunflower has little stuff on it. I guess it was all supposed to be in here, but it kind of is off, but it's alright. And then inside, I just did the background paper, the Georgia Pacific white, and the other smaller sunflower. And that's it for that one. And then the last one I did, I used a floral paper, which matches the flowers on this cut apart. Now this cut apart did not have anything stamped on it. I stamped that on, and that was from this Stampendous stamp set I had just bought from Jen Evers a month or so ago. The thank and the you are separate, but you can put them together, stamp them, and I did use Stampin' Up's Bermuda Bay ink because I thought it went well against or with these flowers. And I used all different colors in these cards. I used sort of a reddish pink, a blue, and 2 yellows, and then this sort of a cross between a mint and a teal, which I thought was perfect for that. And this is also put up on that sticky foam tape that I have. And I just added the red butterfly, which those tear off. You have to be careful taking these off, and then you have to glue them on. And then inside, I kept the U because it's separate, and then have been such a wonderful friend and stamped that on. And I put the background paper in. And then this, I actually had a cut piece of that card from a previous project. I can't even remember what it was. So I just cut it down a little bit and then used it as a border for the white on top of the flower paper. So those are my 5 cards for Craft Our Stash. And it's a collection that I'm using, as well as some stickers and washi tape. Oh, I probably didn't tell. Oh, this is washi tape too. It's like variegated, sort of sunshiny. It goes from yellow to orange to red to orange to yellow. This I showed you, the thin blue, and this was the one that had been gifted to me that looked like hexagons in the back, just to add a pop of color. So those are my 5 cards for this month, Craft Our Paper Stash cards. And there we have it. And I hope you will give a thumbs up if you liked anything about this, please, and comment. And please do go visit all the other participants on our little collab. Again, it's the 15th of every month, and I am going to try and post around 7 a.m. Eastern, but there's not really a set time. But so stay tuned. Some people might be posting later in the day. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.